BCHS students are special because they are the lovely angels sent by God to us.
They are unique.
They are incredible.
Blooming stars, always blooming.
They dream big.
They shine with stars.
They are curious.
ವಿವಿಧ ಕಲಾತ್ಮಕತೆಯ ಕೋಗಿ
Because they are motivated.
Yeah. They are highly intellectual and positive. They are unique and talented.
They are futuristic.
ಮುಗ್ಧ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಹೂಗಳು.
Once Bolivinian, ever Bolivinian.
They work in unity.
ನವೀನ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು
ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
They are the heart of Baldwins.